friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can manage Didi company in Jainam Software. So in the past videos we have seen how we can transfer shares from directors to members and how we can check the share certificate. So in this video let's get started. So from the status report in the all party list, so I will just select the deposit and refresh. So here you can see the member 1, 2 fixed deposit has been given. One is 25,000 and one is 5,000. Now from the customer I will go to the create, and from here let's create member 2. So I will just select Pune group and save. So after that I can search this F-3, the member 3, member 2, and let's click to the deposit. So here let's open the recurring deposit now. So let's say for 200, the rate of interest yearly, let's take a 7% and with 1 year, or let's say 12 months. So now I will calculate. So from here we can calculate, and if you want to add some charges for, let's say, document charges of 200 or let's say 100, just click to the add and now save this deposit. So this deposit number 3 has been created. Now let's search this deposit from the search bar D-3. So here you can see this is the recurring deposit of 200, and if I go and check the installment tracker, so here you can see installment is creating for 200 every month, that is for 12 months. So after receiving all the amount, at the end we can pay the maturity amount to the customer. So from the maturity pay option, whatever amount received and the interest part we can pay from here. So we can manage the recurring account very easily. After that I will search F-3. So here let's click to the deposit again. So now I will create savings deposit. So let's say the saving rate of interest is 9%, and let's take for 12 months, or you can take for 2 years. So I will just save this. So saving deposit 4 has been created. So if I search D-4 in the search bar, so you can see this saving deposit we have created. So whatever deposited amount, withdrawal amount, balance, we can check from the transaction or passbook. So here in the passbook also you can see. So now let's say this customer member 2 has deposited 1000 in the saving account. So let's deposit. So now I will go and check the transaction. So here you can see 1000 has been received from the member 2. So according to that, the interest projection also will get counted according to the rate of interest and the tenure. So this type we can manage the saving account also and the recurring deposits, different types of deposits in Nidhi Limited. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.